Hey guys, welcome back. So we're about to do another workout. Make sure that you follow along closely. I already stretched out, so make sure you do that first.
The setup I have to go through just to get this film for y'all though. Yeah, do 8. We finished, y'all. Hey. Say hey. Okay, I'm blocking. Hey, ho. Here we go. Here we go. We always do that. Here we go. Here we go. Y'all, today feels so good. I hope y'all enjoy this workout. Y'all will not see me again today, boo, because I'm about to eat a cheat meal. How about it? Nah, my cheat meal is today. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this chicken. I'm tired of this salmon. We'll holler. Hey, no. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like this video. Stop playing with me. Huh? Subscribe gang, yeah. Y'all stop playing and subscribe. For real. I'll see y'all later.